is Kate.SE. I've been in 4-H Thunder Mountain Riders for 3 years, and my presentation is the gaits and shoeing techniques of Tennessee Walkers. Okay, the history of the Tennessee walking horse. The Tennessee walking horse originated in the South. They were first bred to be utility horses for comfortable, long-distance rides on the plantation farms. Their sure-footed gait also helped them on the rocky terrain. The first sire of the Tennessee walking horse breed was Allen F1, otherwise known as Black Allen. Allen was a registered American trotting horse. Sire, Hamiltonian, family of trotters, and dam was a Morgan. Today I'm going to talk to you about Tennessee Walker's 3 gaits, the different shoes they wear, and some of the soaring techniques people do to enhance these gaits. The gaits of the Tennessee walking horse. The Tennessee Walker is known for their animated gaits, which includes a very high stepping walk. The 3 most common gaits they perform are the flat walk, running walk, and rocking chair canter. Okay, the flat walk is the same as an ordinary 4-beat walk, sped up to about 6 to 8 miles per hour. And the running walk is what the Tennessee Walker is best known for. This is the same 4-beat gait with the same footfall pattern as a flat walk, but significantly faster. This gait allows the horse to travel at the speed of 10 to 20 miles per hour. Okay, and the canter. The rocking chair canter is not meant for luxury, or not meant for speed, but luxury. The 4 quarters rise off the ground as the horse appears to rock back and forth as it moves along. This canter often requires special training to develop the collection and strength in the hind quarter muscles. Okay. Tennessee Walker shoes. There are 2 basic categories of the Tennessee walking horse shoes: flat-shod and padded. Flat-shod horses are shown in ordinary horseshoes and are not allowed to use pads or action devices. Their hooves are sometimes trimmed to a slightly lower angle with more natural toe than stock horse breed. And padded horses exhibit flashy animated gaits, lifting their forelegs high off the ground with each step. Horses are shod in double to triple nailed plastic pads called stacks. These horses often use rubber or metal rollers around their pasterns to accentuate their gait. These pads and rollers are called action devices. Here, somebody showing in flat shod and a flat shod shoe. So, when applying pads, 1 plastic plate is applied with nails like a regular shoe. So they put the first, just a second. Then a band is placed over the shoe to secure the stack. This is what the completed shoe should look like. Soaring controversy of Tennessee walking horses. In 1960s, the Tennessee walking horse became so popular, they left the all-breed shows and began having Tennessee Walker only breed shows. The Tennessee Walker show industry was left to police themselves. Okay, then the plate is nailed to a stack of pads, creating the high shoe. In an effort for trainers to achieve this award-winning animated walk, the Tennessee Walker is known for. Trainers began using the practice of soaring during the 1950s. And became widespread in the 1960s. In 1970, Congress passed the Horse Protection Act, declaring soaring cruel and inhumane. The act prohibits anyone from entering a soared horse into a show, sale, auction, or exposition, and prohibits transport of soared horses. Okay, what is the penalty for soaring? Administration of the Horse Protection Act is through the Animal and Plant Health Inspection Service, APHIS, of the Department of Agriculture, USDA. The USDA provides inspectors to conduct inspections at horse shows to check each front leg for soreness or scars. Violation of the HPA may result in criminal charges, fines, and prison. Okay, what is soaring in Tennessee Walkers? Soaring involves the use of chemicals or pressure to cause pain to the horse's feet when they touch the ground, resulting in the horse picking up its feet higher and faster than it would naturally. Soaring involves the use of chemical agents on the horse's legs to accentuate their gait. This usually leads to scarring, which is a telltale sign of soaring. Other soaring methods include pressure shoes, where the hoof is trimmed to the quick so the sole is in direct contact with the shoe. In conclusion, now we have talked about Tennessee Walker gaits, shoes, and soaring to enhance these gaits. The Tennessee Walker industry, I believe, is changing for the better. In recent years, there has been intense inspections at Tennessee Walker shows, and any horses with signs of soaring or scars are not allowed to compete, and owners and trainers are investigators. This allows honest trainers who use extra time and work to train the horses instead of quick shortcuts like soaring to gain recognition. Over the next few years, I hope to see the Tennessee Walker industry continue changing for the better to protect this amazing breed.